Just kidding. Hey, welcome. I'm Sebastian. This is how to not fuck up your marriage. How to not fuck up your AR. Pro tip number 36. Started building ARs and made a lot of mistakes along the way and thought I'd share them with you. So here's another fuck up. I'm going to show you how I fucked up and then show you how to not fuck up. So what we have is installing a forward assist on my little AR here. And pro tip number one, take the upper off of the lower. And number two, if you do it with the upper on the lower, do not have the bolt to the rear, okay? Because as soon as I started to put that thing in and tap the pin in, guess what? Totally locked up. So now I got to figure out how to get that out. So that is fuck up number 36. Never do that. Okay, be right back. Okay, welcome back to the the gun lab, and how to not fuck up your AR. So I'm at the point where I have to remove the roll pin and then take my bolt out and then tap it back in. So that's what we're going to do to fix it. Okay, so I took my roll pin punch and I tapped the roll pin back out far enough until my spring shot my forward assist across the room, and I had to go find it. But I have, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and release the bolt. I'm going to take the top, I'm going to take the bolt out, and then I'll go ahead and do it again. Reinsert the forward assist. Okay, back at the the gun lab, and here it is, success. So I just went ahead and took my bolt carrier group out, detached the upper from the lower, just inserted the forward assist, tapped the roll pin back in, easy peasy, don't fuck up the first time. Cheers.